Hi, I'm Jessica and welcome to today's craft time. Today we'll be doing an experiment on rain. For today's experiment, you will need 3 items: a cup of water, blue food coloring, and shaving cream. Before you start the experiment, parents, if you would like to make this more educational, you can ask your child to write down their predictions. A couple of predictions might be, what do they think will happen with the water, food coloring? And what do they think will happen with the shaving cream? Will the shaving cream sink or will it float? All right, let's get started. You're first going to take your cup and you're going to fill it with water 3/4 of the way full. The water represents the air. Next, you're going to take your shaving cream. The shaving cream will represent the clouds and water vapor. You will put a thin layer on top of your water. Next, you'll take blue food coloring. This will represent the water droplets that will come from the clouds. You'll place a few drops on top of the shaving cream. And then you will wait and see what happens. As you can see, the water droplets come from the clouds onto the air as if it was really raining. Here, you would write down your conclusions if you would want to make this more educational. Your child could write down what they're noting, what they're seeing. Alright, and that's all there is to it. We hope you liked today's craft time and today's video, and we hope to see you guys again soon.